Welcome to this tutorial on how to set a stop loss in Crypto.com. Setting a stop loss is an essential risk management strategy for cryptocurrency traders, allowing you to limit potential losses if the market moves against you. To get started, first log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the trading section. Once you are in the trading section, select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. Next, click on the Trade button and select the type of order you want to place, either a market order or a limit order. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using a market order. After selecting the order type, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Below the amount field, you will see the stop loss option. To set a stop loss, toggle the stop loss switch to the right. This will activate the stop loss feature and allow you to set a price at which your position will be automatically closed if the market moves against you. Enter the stop loss price, which is the price at which you want to close your position. This price should be lower than the current market price if you are in a long position, and higher than the current market price if you are in a short position. You can also set a stop loss percentage, which will automatically calculate the stop loss price based on a percentage of the current market price. Once you have set your stop loss, review your order details to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with your order, click the Confirm button to place the trade. Your stop loss will be triggered if the market price reaches the stop loss price you set. When this happens, your position will be automatically closed, limiting your potential losses. It is essential to note that while a stop loss can help limit losses, it is not a guarantee against significant losses. Especially in volatile markets, it is crucial to combine stop loss orders with other risk management strategies, such as position sizing and proper market analysis. In conclusion, setting a stop loss in Crypto.com is a straightforward process that can help you manage risk and limit potential losses. By following these steps and combining stop loss orders with other risk management strategies, you can trade with more confidence and protect your investments.